So, here is our new pycharm project. We'll just right-click on the project name and then click New, File. We're going to call this file main.py. Now let's write our first Python code. You're going to type print, add parentheses, then add double quotes. Inside these quotes, type hello world. In Python and many other languages, we use quotes to represent text. This is what we call a string, which means a sequence of characters. The word print is a Python command called a function, and it displays whatever is inside the parenthesis on the screen. Now let's go ahead and start our program by clicking the play button here. There's also a shortcut, which is Control-R on Mac. Shortcuts are your friend, and they help us save time. So hit that, and here on the bottom, you can see this window that's called a terminal window, and it shows the output of our code. If you didn't get that on your first try, that's totally okay. Every programmer makes mistakes, and most mistakes are simple typos that are easy to fix. Let me show you how. Let's look at the error message and see what's going on. With the information here, we can find out where the error occurred. So this error occurred in our main.py file on line 1. Right below that, you can see the piece of code that generated this error. Below that, you can see the error message. In this case, it says that print is not defined. You should check your code for typos and make sure the word print is spelled correctly. The red underline below prin is letting us know that's an error. Let's hover over it and you'll see this tip, which says that pycharm does not recognize this reference called prin. So let's fix that and type print, and now we're good. If you see an error that says parenthesis was never closed, you just need to close the parenthesis at the end. If you see a different error like this unterminated string literal, it means you forgot to add a quote at the end of the hello world string. So we just add that missing quote at the end and make sure to close the parenthesis too, and now you're good. If you run into any other errors, leave a comment below and tell us what error you encountered, and we'll try to help you move forward.